David Morgan, silver's had a nice 2-month rally. Do we stick with it?
Well, I think long term we do stick with it. I'm looking at the about $35 level. I really want to see it get above that. Once we do that, I think we're going to see much higher levels over time. Right now, I think we're still in a trading range, but yes, long-term investors could stick with it. Short-term people might take a look here. I wouldn't advise taking profits unless you're a really good professional and you're willing to get back in.
Well, silver is a dual-purpose metal. Is it trading on the recovery now, or is it trading on currency worries?
I think it's trading on both, but I think it's primarily trading on currency worries right now. There's been a lot coming up lately about the solar industry, which is key to silver's use. There's many uses. We don't have time to go into them all, but solar is a real driver. And solar's projections to be 130 million ounces annually by 2014. Right now, we're actually on track for that. But a lot of these solar companies are coming off. They're failing. They're not in business any longer. So we're watching that one carefully.
Finally, silver was a wild ride in 2011, extremely volatile. Will it trade that way again in 2012?
My key word for 2012 in most of my initial interviews were volatility. That was the first word out of my mouth. I think it's going to continue. I see a broad trading range and probably a great move up like we saw in 2011 going into May, February, March, and April. And I think we're going to see something like that again, but I don't think it's going to happen until the last quarter of the year 2012.